common tool when studying human movement. Here's a random example from random advertisement. So on the screen, you can see that we can actually visualize the ground action force like measured by the force plate when the athlete is applying force onto the ground. But how does it work? The plate is actually measuring the voltage on the load cells between two metal plates, and the space between two metal plates will be compressed when you apply force on it, and then the voltage will be transformed to force by a certain algorithm. And a force plate can measure force on three axes, which are anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, and vertical. For today's lab, we'll only focus on vertical force. And one of the most important parameters when you're using force plate is the frequency. The unit of frequency is hertz. That means how many times per second. For example, in this example, a doctor can do COVID-19 testing for 100 patients per second. That means he's doing the testing in 100 hertz, super fast. Alright, so higher frequency means higher resolution because, for example, today's lab we're using a frequency in 1000 hertz. That means we'll get 1000 data points in 1 second, right? Comparing to if the frequency is 10 hertz, we only get 10 data points per second. That we're probably missing something. And so usually in using force plate, the frequency is from 1000 to 1200 probably. Or if you're studying some more detailed movement like in Parkinson's disease, it may be you can up to 2000 something. So anyways, higher frequency means higher resolution. And today we're using 1000 hertz. You gotta use that number a lot this week. So that's important.